Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to watch. We have a very worn old coin here from Hungary. It's from 1521 and this is from the reign of King Louis II. Its value is 1 dinar. It's composed of silver and it's just 15 millimeters in diameter. You can see it's very worn and some pieces are missing, but we can still see very faded, but can be identified. This is the crowned Madonna seated with a child in her right arms. So it also have a mintage, which is from the Kremnitz mint. It's just very hard to see, but it will be divided by uh, the Madonna. So it is a bit worn, very worn, and we can see on the this is the over side. We can see the purple coat of arms of Hungary, and on the middle we can see the uh, Polish Jaglion eagle. It's very worn and faded, but can still recognize it. So nice coin, a very old worn coin from Hungary, but mind you, it's silver, so that is very good. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.